There folks, back at you with another video. Today we're going to be working on this icon ratchet. It's already a lot better than what it was. It got it and I opened it up and had no lube in it whatsoever. So we're going to compare that to a snap-on ratchet here, 1/2-inch drive. This is an icon 1/2-inch drive. So here we go. We're going to go into this, see if we can get some improvements out of this this daggone thing. So here we go. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot. Don't cost nothing. Let's get past the intro. Let's get into this. Well, I saw somebody who did some improvement on the icon ratchet. So we're going to see if we can do the same thing. Here's your big comparison, by the way. I mean, let me hold it up to the camera and undo it in front of the camera. So that's the snap-on one. Here's the icon. That thing doesn't feel smooth at all. It's you know, and then if you compare the two, like I said, I bought this one, never opened it up, so this will be the first time that I open it up. I mean, just look how much, you know, this is lube, you know. Granted, it's a more expensive ratchet, but you know, that's how it should be. Sorry about that. Customer coming over, calling to come over, let me know that they're coming over to pick up their car or their truck. And this is a you know, we're just a small shop, so it's basically 24/7 business. So, and I will open up this one here. I want to show you the difference. I tell you what, I do like this Vessel screwdriver. It's pretty nice. So there is a wave washer in this thing, as you can tell. And then I did lube it up with some oil. But I saw somebody who give me 1 second here. Saw somebody who did some modifications to it, so we're gonna polish this up a little bit and see if that's going to make an improvement. I'll be right back, and let's see what comes of it. Here we go. All right, so polish the back side up a little bit. Same thing here with the gear part. So you can tell there's quite a bit of paint gone. And then I cleaned this up too. I just used a big wire brush on like a bench grinder, just to, you know, get some of the paint off and the like. Let's grab a little bit of oil. Give me 1 second. Got a little bit of oil here. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get this sucker back up in there. There we go. I wonder if that spring has to be that long. Let's cut a little chunk off of that. See what happens. We'll just cut this off right here. So basically cut, I don't know if you can tell. There you go. Let's put this back together and see what we can make out of this. Ooh. I think I'm going to like that already. Come on, you little sucker. Oh, that made a difference. All right, let's put the cover back on. We'll try it again. I'll wipe my hands down here real quick. Ooh, I tell you what, that definitely makes a difference. Okay, let's do this again. So this is the icon one. Snap on. It's definitely lighter, less bag drag. It's still a little louder than the snap-on one, but yeah, I'd say that's an improvement right there. All right, we're going to try this out, see how we like it, and we'll report back to you. So there we go. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot. Don't cost nothing. We're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.